We've got 7 people because it's the right amount of people to cover all the bases that we need to cover in terms of skill set, and at the same time not be so many people that you get bogged down in process and lose agility and the ability to iterate quickly. So we built this team for skill mix, and skill mix always wins. That's how you have to build a team to succeed in complex projects. So on the team, we've got an architect, somebody doing code, we've got a data scientist, we've got a data wrangler to wrangle that data for the data scientist, we've got a systems engineer, we've got somebody on computational infrastructure. At the end, you've got to have integration and test.
I've created software for a number of large companies. For example, I wrote operating system software for IBM. I've developed flight simulators for commercial and military aircraft, the helicopters and the space shuttle landing simulator that's at Johnson Air Force Base in Houston.
I work mostly in Unity, and I was able to grab some assets from the training data and drop it right into our simulation almost the first week.
What I bring to the team is an embedded systems background, where others are more from data science or from data visual processing.
I see robotics as being something that is not the Skylab situation. It's more the having an assistant for people to make life better for them and to keep them out of danger and to find them if they do get in danger, like a search and rescue mission.
Despite the adoption of high-speed cellular networks and whatnot, it's becoming less and less of an option to really rely on the cloud for a lot of this processing. So being able to implement AI on a device locally is really where one of the applications of this technology is going to be.
Well, obviously, as you can tell, I've worked with a lot of teams over the years. The thing that I find really great about this team is that everybody is very enthusiastic, everybody's exceptionally competent. We come from many different backgrounds, different age groups and so on, and I think that makes the working together a really cool experience. We want to be able to make drones perform autonomously and go into places where either humans are already at risk and we're trying to rescue them, or where we don't want to send humans in the first place because it's too dangerous for them. So that's why the challenge was very, very exciting to us.